Prior to selecting a sitting system, you want to look at the individual's human factors, meaning that you'll look at their orthopedic factors, postural control, respiratory and circulatory factors, sensory and perceptual skills, and cognitive skills. So, starting with the orthopedic factors, you want to see if the individual had any surgery prior to them needing a wheelchair that might have left them um, to appear slanted or might have left their extremities in a different position than they would have been normally. You'll then you'll do this by placing them on a mat in a supine position. You'll check their lumbar, spine, and pelvic, followed by range of motion measurements of the hips, knees, ankles, upper extremities, and neck. Um, for postural control, you'll place them in a sitting position on a mat and you'll observe to see how much support they need sitting up straight. Um, can they sit for a prolonged period of time without using their hands for support? Can they sit for a prolonged period of time using their hands um, for support, or can they sit up with no support at all? So, meaning like, are they able to support themselves um, independently without anyone else helping them sit up, or without any belt or anything to brace them to the wheelchair? You'll then check their respiratory system. You would want to check the person's respiratory status and circulatory factors by observing their breathing. So you check to see, like, for instance, if they're placed in a, let's say, an abnormal position, they're not sitting upright. Are they wheezing? Like, are they struggling to breathe? You then want to know what position will best enhance their breathing while sitting in a wheelchair. After that, you'll then check their sensory and perceptual skills, such as vision and visual perception and tactile sensation, followed by cognitive skills. Does the person have the cognitive abilities to operate the wheelchair? For instance, can they fasten and unfasten their seat belts? Can they drive the wheelchair independently? Do they know how to maneuver the wheels or how to maneuver the wheelchair in general to get from point A to point B?